Into a Tuesday, May 9th, Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, and a sense of unease in Canada's business and farming community following the federal government's decision to expel a Chinese diplomat accused of interfering in our politics. China's embassy condemning the move while vowing to, quote, take resolute countermeasures, while also vowing that all consequences arising shall be borne by the Canadian side. The agricultural sector fearing a new trade war which could launch another ban on Canadian canola. Another huge profit dip in the oil patch, with lower prices now hitting the bottom line of Petro-Canada parent Suncor. The company's first quarter take of just over $2 billion, down 34% from the nearly $3 billion they raked in a year ago. Spread the news and tell your friends about the fastest 2 minutes in business. Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news that matters to you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Sleep Country Canada shareholders might not be sleeping well. The mattress and bed giant posting a sharply lower first quarter profit of $11.2 million from $18.4 million in the same 3 months of last year. Vancouver-based heavy equipment dealer Finning International, though, is offering more evidence of a still robust economy, reporting a Q1 profit increase of 23% to just over $2.1 billion, sales ahead by 18%. A new power project on the drawing board in BC's southern interior, a massive solar farm being pitched for 335 sun-drenched hectares of property near Merritt, a joint venture involving the Lower Nicola Indian Band and Guelph, Ontario-based Canadian Solar Solutions. And new research into the cost of buying a home in BC gives Kamloops something to boast about. A Zoocasa review of closing fees, which typically involve a minimum down payment, the land transfer tax, legal fees, and title insurance. Kamloops, the lowest at $44,000 compared to $302,000 in Whistler, where the costs are the highest. And that will do it for your Tuesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.